CFMOTO Papio SS popular 2024 motorcycles. CFMOTO, a global leader in motorcycle innovation, proudly introduces the 2024 Papio SS, a compact yet powerful motorcycle designed to excel in urban environments and deliver a thrilling riding experience. The Papio SS, with its sporty aesthetics, advanced technology, and agile performance, is set to redefine the standards for small-displacement motorcycles. At the heart of the 2024 Papio SS is a lively 126 cubic centimeters single-cylinder engine, capable of producing an impressive 10 horsepower and 7 lb-ft of torque. This engine, while compact, is engineered for both efficiency and performance, making it perfect for zipping through city traffic and enjoying spirited rides on winding roads. The 5-speed transmission ensures smooth and responsive gear shifts, enhancing the overall riding experience and providing riders with precise control. The design of the Papio SS is a blend of sporty flair and practical functionality. The motorcycle features sharp lines, a sleek profile, and an aggressive stance that convey a sense of speed and agility. The sculpted fuel tank, aerodynamic bodywork, and minimalist tail section contribute to its modern and dynamic look. The full LED lighting system, including headlights, taillights, and turn signals, not only ensures excellent visibility but also adds a touch of contemporary style. Available in a variety of striking colors, the Papio SS is designed to turn heads wherever it goes. Ergonomics and rider comfort are central to the Papio SS design philosophy. The bike boasts a well-padded seat positioned at an accessible height, making it suitable for riders of all sizes. The upright riding position, combined with wide handlebars and strategically placed foot pegs, ensures a comfortable and confident ride. The advanced suspension system, featuring a telescopic front fork and a rear monoshock, is tuned to provide a smooth and responsive ride over urban terrain and beyond. The 2024 Papio SS is equipped with a range of advanced technological features to enhance the riding experience. A full-color TFT display provides clear and comprehensive information, including speed, fuel level, and trip data. This modern instrument panel supports smartphone connectivity via Bluetooth, allowing riders to access navigation, music, and calls seamlessly. Additionally, the bike features multiple riding modes, enabling riders to adjust performance settings according to their preferences and riding conditions. Safety is a top priority for CFMOTO, and the Papio SS incorporates several key safety features to ensure rider protection. The motorcycle is equipped with disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels, providing reliable stopping power and control. The dual-channel ABS system enhances braking stability, especially in slippery conditions. The LED lighting system improves visibility in low-light situations, ensuring safer rides at night. The 2024 Papio SS is designed to offer a fun and exciting riding experience with its blend of sporty performance, advanced technology, and sleek design, said a CFMOTO spokesperson. This model caters to urban riders who seek both style and substance in their motorcycle, making it an ideal choice for daily commutes and weekend adventures. The release of the 2024 Papio SS has already generated significant buzz among motorcycle enthusiasts and urban commuters. As CFMOTO continues to push the boundaries of innovation, the Papio SS exemplifies the brand's commitment to delivering high-quality motorcycles that meet the diverse needs of modern riders. With its competitive pricing and standout features, the 2024 Papio SS is set to become a popular choice in the small-displacement motorcycle segment. It invites riders to experience the thrill of the road with a perfect blend of power, technology, and comfort, promising a versatile and exhilarating ride.